name's Simon Pickard. I'm a model designer for the DK Lego book, Our Amazing Universe. If you like that book, I think I've got some other recommendations you'll also enjoy. This book is called Epic History, and it's very similar to Our Amazing Universe, although it's focused entirely on our history, and it also comes with some Lego as well that you can build along and try and make use of the inspiration for the Lego or building in history. I particularly like history, and of course there are lots of great books out there that are still visual, even though they don't have Lego. And this particular one I'm working on at the moment is a book about Boudicca, because I love Roman history and I'm going to build some Lego models of that period of history. You'll find in your library lots of books that look like this, and they're effectively encyclopedia books on various subjects. Unsurprisingly, this one's also on Romans, again because I'm quite keen at the moment on reading factual books about the Romans. If you're not so keen on the factual side and still want a visual kind of story, there are Lego books that deal with that too. This is one of the Choose Your Own Adventure books, where each part of the story gives you an option as to what's going to happen next, and you skip to the different pages accordingly. It gives you a nice little minifigure here to carry on with it. If you want just a good old normal story but with still some visuals, I would recommend also the 13-story Treehouse and the many books that have followed it. I have 5 sons and they all really enjoy these stories.